Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the GTR. So a couple things I'm going to grab is my Mobil 1 oil filter I get off Amazon. You get two of them for like $20 or $22 or something like that. I usually look for the best deals as I can since I change the oil on this every 3,000 miles, which might seem a little excessive, but it's a twin turbo car and it's a high performance car. Why would you not keep the oil nice and fresh on it? Also got a bunch of these 5 quarts Mobil 1 040. They're like $24 at Walmart, so I have a few of them back there. And sometimes the car takes a little bit over 5 quarts, so I have this. Probably put half of this in there. We'll see when I measure it out. I need my oil pan too. So today I'll just show you how it's done on the GTR. It's pretty simple. There's just a pan that you need to take out of there. I mean the under tray that you need to unscrew and stuff like that. But basically it's really simple. Let me get you to the next part right now. Alright guys, so right here you see we have a flathead and 10 millimeter ratchet right here. So as you can see, there's some clips right there, then take these little bolts off, some more clips. So you're just gonna go all the way around down here, this one too, some more clips. So once you take all that off, then you get to the oil pan and drain it and get to the filter. It's right under here. I'll show you. Just put you over here. Not sure how that's gonna look, but that's all I can do right now. There we go, yeah. That's it. Oh, that's a lot of rocks. Oh. There you go. Bring you in. Let me get some light in here. Okay. So, as you see, that's where you drain the oil right here. There's a filter right here. It'll be pretty easy. Let me sit you down like this. Probably like this for now. I don't know. Yeah, I'll grab my stuff. Actually, no, I can't put you there. I'm gonna have to cut you back in. Alright guys, so the oil pan right here is 14 millimeters. So let's get this thing loose. Oh, there we go. Got it. Alright. Make sure this is placed right. And there we go. Whoops, dropped the flashlight. Oh. Get that flashlight. Look at that. I'm kind of dark after 3,000 miles. So I'm gonna let this go ahead and do its thing. Alright, so drain the oil, put a new washer on the bolt, put it back in. Now I'm gonna take this out with an oil filter wrench. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do this by withholding it. See if I can place you somewhere. Hopefully that's good. There we go. Oh, there's some oil. That's a move. Oh. All right. Let this go for a bit. All right, let's clean some of this up, and then let's see. I'll get the new filter on there. Alright, where's my filter? Here's my new filter. I already put oil on the rubber part of it to seal it up. Just throw this back on. And we're just going to tighten it back up. Put the under tray back on. Put oil in it. Reset my reminder for the 3,000 miles. And that is it. That's an oil change for the GTR. Super easy. Just takes a little more time than I don't know, some regular car. Let's say my Acura TSX, which is my daily. So, alright, that's on. I'm going to put the under tray back on and then put oil in it. There we go. Alright. Let's get some of these screws back in. Or bolts, I should rather say. Oh. Okay, everything's done. So let's start up and see if the car blows up. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.